Hi, so the background of the agency, the mission statement for the Delaware Valley Addiction Treatment Program is that we provide community-based services to populations in need so that they can lead independent, self-fulfilled lives. And yes, I did have to memorize that when I started working at VOA. Um, so essentially what that means is that our program in particular, we work in reentry and we provide our guys individual counseling, group services. We set them up with employment, education. I'm a housing case manager, so we provide housing resources. And part of that mission is reducing the risks that lead to criminogenic behavior. And so the idea is looking at this program, are they actually doing that? Do they have lower rates of recidivism? And what we found is that, yeah, they do. We do work, which is why parole keeps paying my paycheck. So you'll see through the course of the paper what that looks like. Thank you.